Have you ever wondered why the Titanic, the unsinkable ship, met its tragic fate on its maiden voyage? Let's dive into the science behind one of history's most infamous maritime disasters. First, let's talk about buoyancy. The Titanic was designed to displace more water than its weight, making it float. But here's where it gets interesting. The ship had 16 compartments with watertight doors. The idea was that even if 4 compartments were flooded, the Titanic would still stay afloat. Sounds solid, right? But there was a flaw in this design. The walls separating these compartments didn't extend high enough. So, when the Titanic scraped an iceberg, water started pouring in. Now, the iceberg itself was a crucial factor. Icebergs are incredibly dense, and when the Titanic struck one at around 22.5 knots, it created a series of slashes along the hull. These slashes allowed water to flood more than 4 compartments. The ship's designers never anticipated this scenario. Temperature also played a significant role. The water temperature was around -2 degrees Celsius. Not only did this make the iceberg harder and more damaging, but the cold water also caused the steel of the Titanic's hull to become more brittle. This brittleness made it easier for the iceberg to slice through the ship's hull. Let's not forget human error. The Titanic received multiple iceberg warnings that night but continued to sail at high speed. Additionally, the lookouts didn't have binoculars, which might have helped them spot the iceberg sooner. Finally, there's the question of lifeboats. The Titanic was equipped with only 20 lifeboats, insufficient for its 2,224 passengers and crew. Regulations at the time based lifeboat requirements on ship tonnage, not passenger capacity. This oversight led to a tragic loss of life. In summary, the Titanic's sinking was a perfect storm of flawed design, environmental factors, and human error. Each element played a crucial role in the disaster. So the next time you hear about the Titanic, remember, it wasn't just one thing that caused it to sink. It was a combination of science and human decisions that led to this tragic event. And that, my friends, is the science behind the sinking of the Titanic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into science.